I am out for the very first time. I am going long this time. This is my solo trip from Varanasi to Calcutta. Let's go. Just getting out from the city. Winds are cold, quite cold. चाय है भैया? So currently I'm using cruise control on my Pulsar NT2. This is not possible only because of this particular thing. This is a, what do you call it, handlebar end, which uses friction to just lock my accelerator. So when there's these kinds of smooth roads, nothing for many kilometers, this is really useful just to rest my right hand. Not always useful, but yeah. I've taken the first stop now at 122 kilometers. Now moving ahead, going through Bihar towards Gaya. Beautiful day, quite sunny, beautiful day. Dehri on Son. So this is Dehri, the town, and on Son River. That's why essentially this bridge is called Dehri on Son. I'm currently going through Jharkhand, and Jharkhand's national highway is so bad. It is so bad. Like, look at this is still okay. I mean, I didn't show you what I went through. It was so bad, and there is a hell lot of like construction going on. It is awful. I think even worse than Bihar. Jharkhand's highways are so bad. This is the main highway. This connects Bihar to West Bengal through Jharkhand, and it is just the worst. I don't know what's going on in Jharkhand. Look at, like, this is still okay, but my god, like that section is completely gone. I don't know from where people are going, where is that lane? I have no clue. So weird, so bad. Not gonna lie, there are some excellent scenes. The camera was here. I purposefully stopped and kept it back here because my god, some of the scenes are beautiful. This is Jharkhand area, complete Jharkhand area. Roads have improved. Jharkhand is the latter part of Jharkhand near West Bengal is beautiful. Massive. I mean, of course, the roads are not always good, but massive mountain areas, hill areas. I would say not exactly mountain, hill areas. Now this is what I call a road. Beautiful, absolutely. 3-lane, 6-lane, 3-lane one way. Oh my god, it's like an outer ring road kinds, you know. Absolutely stunning roads. Like, I'm doing 85 and I don't even feel that I'm doing 85 right now. That, ladies and gentlemen, that is Shikharji. Oh my god, dude. I can see the mandir, Shikharji Mandir. It's white. I can see it. Oh my god. Dude, imagine going to it with from bike. It will be amazing. To my surprise, I was able to reach Dhanbad extremely quickly. So what I did was, um, now I have moved ahead. I thought that okay, my initial plan was to take a stop at Dhanbad in a hotel. But now that I have reached so early, I reached at around 2 o'clock, 2:15. Then I had my lunch, easily 45 minutes or something, just relaxed. And I thought that, wait, half the day is still there. I have a lot of time left and I am already in Dhanbad right now. So why not just push a bit more? Let's see where this takes me. I'm not really sure will I be able to reach Kolkata or not. But I'm just going to go. I'm just going to go with my body. I'm going to feel my body right now and see, okay, how much power do I have? How much, willpower do I have to go the distance? And there is a chance that I might be able to complete the entire distance of 672 kilometers. I cannot believe I'm saying this. I am in West Bengal. In one day, I am in West Bengal and I have spent just one day of riding. That means from Varanasi to West Bengal in a single day, I have around clocked somewhat, I think, 500 kilometers. And there is 170 kilometer left to Calcutta, and I think I'll be able to make it. It is getting dark, I am aware of that, but I think I will reach by 9.